Today on just the hit, I'm going to show you. What else am I supposed to say? Hi there. Today on Just the Tip, I'm going to show you a quick, easy hack for a sheer coverage foundation. For this, you'll need a face oil. I'm using Elate's Replenish oil. And you'll need a loose powder. I'm using Elate's Glow powder. I'm going to take a few drops of the face oil and a smidge of the face powder, and I'm going to blend the two together. Using your fingers or a brush, apply the mixture to your face. I'm going to start with just half my face so we can take a peek at the coverage. Let's take a look. This side that I used the oil and loose powder blend on still looks very natural. It's just my skin tone appears more even and glowy. Let's make this side match now. And there you have it, a quick, easy hack for a sheer coverage foundation.